Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm showing you how to change the LG water filter for your modern LG refrigerator freezer combo. So this is like the little handheld smaller version of the water filters, and to replace it all you gotta do is open the left-hand door and pull out the bottom drawer or shelf, and then it's hiding behind there in a little compartment. Just pull it out, rotate it counterclockwise to remove it, and it should just pop out relatively easily. You should be able to do this with only one hand, and then you can just pop in the replacement, and then once it sort of slots in, you can turn it clockwise until it pops in and stops turning, and then you should be good to go. Then I think these things last between like 8 months to a year, but you can probably get away with using them a lot longer if you don't take a lot of water out of your refrigerator. You can also get them on Amazon. They're around like $50, somewhere in the range between $30 and $50. And of course, don't forget to flush a lot of water through it so it doesn't have any icky, like, activated carbon charcoal taste.